Hey, it's Stacy with Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip. Today is tip number 77. If you always feel like the holidays sneak up and your house still isn't where you want it to be, this one's for you. Remember, these 2-minute tidy tips are short, simple ideas to help you reset your home one step at a time. Let's dive in. Let's talk about something that happens every year. September hits, and even though it still feels like summer here in Texas, something shifts. Kids go back to school, routines are changing, and the end of the year, it starts coming fast. And even like me, as an empty nester, I don't have kids going back to school, but there's still a big shift in how we feel this time of year. And I think it's the season change, right? This is actually one of my favorite times of the year to hit a reset on my house and also myself. It's kind of like a New Year's resolution kicking off fall. Because when November and December arrive, things get really crazy, right? And if your home isn't working for you now, it's only going to feel more stressful once the holidays start rolling in. So today, I'm sharing 5 quick wins to help you get ahead before the holiday chaos starts. Okay, number 1, reset your pantry. Now's the perfect time to toss expired foods, organize your staple items, and make room for fall baking. If you entertain and you do a lot of baking, now's the time to reset that pantry so you have room for it and it doesn't get out of control with your current chaos. Number 2, check your guest bedrooms. If it's turned into a clutter catch all, you're not alone, no judgment here, but I want you to start refreshing it now so that you're not scrambling before visitors decide to stay and then you get panicked at the last minute. So we need to refresh those guest bedrooms. Number 3, I want you to simplify your family room. This is usually the place where we all gather. Maybe your Christmas tree is going to go there, and we tend to have a lot of stuff going on in that room. So it's very important to clear the surfaces, put away the summer extras, and create space before the fall decor comes out. You don't need to leave everything that's currently out and add fall. You can pull out some of your regular decor and just put the fall items out so that it's not too cluttered, making your life a little crazier trying to clean. Number 4, prep your dining space. This is a big one. How many of you have paperwork and everything all over your dining room table right now? I want you to start thinking about making room for gathering. So that paperwork, the Amazon boxes, and all the random clutter that keeps getting put there, it's time to do a reset in your dining space and start prepping. All right, number 5, I want you to pick one space to reset each week. And if that still feels overwhelming, that's exactly why I created the Reclaim and Reset method, to walk you through a manageable plan week by week that fits your life. I often get emails within the first 7 days that somebody's in the program that's like, oh my goodness, this is exactly what I needed. I was so overwhelmed. I didn't know where to start. It felt like I didn't have the motivation. I didn't have the time to do it. But with the calendar that you get every single week as part of the Reclaim and Reset method, it breaks it down to doable pieces. So if you don't have that program yet, I want you to scroll down and check it out. I'll put the link in the notes. The truth is, you don't need to do all of this at once, okay? So please don't start stressing out, but you do need to start. And September is a perfect time to commit so that you can have calmer holidays. It's such a difference when you feel good and your home is in a better place when you start going to those last few crazy months of the year. Ready to reset before things get hectic? Check out my Reclaim and Reset method. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a tip. I'd be so grateful if you would leave a quick review. It really helps more women like us find this podcast and feel less alone in the chaos. You've got this, and I'm right here with you, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my programs or on the next 2-minute tidy tip. Happy resetting.